Welcome to the first ever Repair Olympics. Today we have two competitors ready to showcase their skills in electronic repairs. In the left corner, we have Joe, also known as the Moose Knuckle, known for his lightning fast repairs and precision. And on the right corner, we have Mark, the laid-back repair enthusiast who takes his time getting things just right. The Moose Knuckle is first getting the P2 screws removed from the phone and heating up the screen, ready to tackle any repair challenge that comes his way. Meanwhile, Mark is lounging with his computer, taking a relaxed approach. Before diving into the repair, Mark decides to take a little break watching YouTube videos, sipping a drink. This is so informative, he thinks I should really start my repair, but maybe after one more video. Halfway through the challenge, the Moose Knuckle is making great progress, while Mark is taking a relaxed approach, trying to remember where he put his screwdriver. And they're off. The Moose Knuckle, a Samsung expert, dives into the repair, but quickly realizes he's out of his element with iPhone. Meanwhile, Mark is finally getting started, slowly gathering his tools. Halfway through the repair challenge, the Moose Knuckle struggles to remember the inner casings of an iPhone repair, while Mark, with steady pace, begins to take the lead. With time running out, Mark takes the lead and finishes his repair, expertly navigating the iPhone 11's components. Meanwhile, the Moose Knuckle, despite his best efforts, decides to quit the challenge. Wait, Mark isn't done yet. With determination and skill, he takes over Moose Knuckle's repair, tackling the challenge head-on in a display of teamwork and expertise. Mark successfully fixes both phones, proving his mastery.